Can you match my tongue? Telling me that you really want it, but you're hiding.
I really like that trip.
That was a trip. It was our first.
Yeah.
So we were bound to make mistakes.
That was a lot. I think I lost like $300
Or
or $200.
Did you lose it?
We lost it, but I felt responsible.
Oh man. Yeah, it was in my bag. I think my mom had gave it to me for the trip, and we forgot the bag at the restaurant. And
We went back, but it wasn't there.
It was of course gone with
And then
everything.
you had a boo.
I had a boo.
Yes. So
Daddy.
like I was literally like in the shower, like I had to take a bath. Cause at first he was like, but like I don't know what you guys were talking nasty.
It wasn't for us at that time. It was nasty because it was like when you come back, I'm gonna kiss you. That was. Literally
I don't know
word.
what it was, but you didn't want me there.
It was just Anyways.
And I was minding my business, so I literally was in the tub, like.
It was a trip. It was a trip.
But I took a bath.
Mm.
But I didn't have anything, so it was just like warm water. Yeah. Which now I'm thinking about it is hilarious. And sometimes you go to work, it's like you have the biggest meeting.
I have a boo waiting.
Yes. I don't know if you see when you leave the house, I just look at you. Because I don't know which one I'm gonna get.
Yeah. I never know either. So I'm keeping us both on our toes. Yes, no.
You want earrings?
Yeah, let's get earrings.
I need a really good concealer. I have to put bronzer on my eyes because I don't have no eyeshadow. What do you blend your concealer with?
Just a beauty blender. I started using brush, but I realized it doesn't set my face as nice. Like it kind of freezes a lot.
Okay, I have this beauty blender, so I'm gonna use it. Do you spray it?
No, I start out like the outside first.
Like
and
this?
I work my way to the corner. Let me see. Like right here, and then you make your way to the corners of your eyes.
Like here?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, and then you kind of try not to go too much back and forth, but that's kind of. Oh my gosh.
What?
The palm tree is swaying.
Pretty little baby.
Yeah, and you just do it as you would. If it runs out, close it, shake it up a little bit. And that's it.
I love eyeliner. Just because my eyes are so
I remember he's trying to force me.
to do it for me.
Yeah.
I mean, I still can't do it, but like every time I wear it, like especially long days, it just runs down and my under is already like black.
That you really want it, but you're hiding. Talk is cheap, so show me that you understand how I like it. Can you blow my mind? Instead of my whole body, if I give you my.
What are we doing?
Oh, so we came down to this little Mexican restaurant called Cocina. And it was busy, so right now we're on a wait list. We're just gonna walk around the area and see what's going on, and hopefully they call us soon.
So we're just walking around, guys.
Doesn't she look so freaking cute?
Thank you.
Look at her makeup. Guys, our table is ready, and they sent me a text like 6 minutes ago.
We're rushing.
But I was so busy taking pictures.
Didn't even come out good, by the way.
Yeah, none of them were good, of course, because you need like 500 pictures to choose like 2.
So now we're rushing.
We're running back to the restaurant because we're starving. So I'll show you the food later. Bye.
Can you touch my soul from it? I don't want to wait. I'm thinking, take me where I ain't been before. Can you blow my.
How was the food?
If there's one thing I've learned is not to trust TikTok. The food was mid. Like, we ordered guac and chips for the appetizer. It was just whole guac, and it wasn't even guac. It was just like chunks of avocado.
Yeah.
Like all you could, it was just chunk of avocados that you couldn't even pick up with the chips because it was. If you're coming to San Diego, this would not be my recommendation. Just saying, it's busy and we thought it was gonna be so good. No, we're gonna go to thrift stores. Why is there a security guard in a thrift store? Let's go. I bought it way more expensive than that. It's nasty. I like it dirty. It's very helpful. I want to like.
Yeah, I heard. Hello. This was our first thrift shop. As you can see, my energy depreciated by a lot. I wasn't impressed. Honestly, maybe I'm just... Also, I'm not a shopping person in general. But it was just old and... Yeah, we walked out with nothing. So, next... On to the next one. Are we ending the night?
Yes.
Your hair looks disheveled.
It's not that time.
More disheveled. Okay, we're back at the hotel. Go ahead. We're back at the hotel.
I promise I'm not drunk. I'm so tired. We had dinner reservation, but I think we're gonna stay in bed and order takeout. So I'll show you what I get though. So let's go. checking out. So it's like 10 a.m. right now. We're gonna go to brunch and then I don't know what else we're doing, and then hit the road because we want to get to Arizona by like 7, 8. So let's go. Guys, San Diego parking is so terrible. We were going to brunch at this restaurant called The Vibe. Honestly, we were going to another restaurant and there was no parking, so we went to The Vibe, and guess what? Still no parking. So we had to drive about 10 minutes to a public parking. It's like right there. And then now we're taking an Uber to go to the restaurant that we want to go to because I think that's the ghetto. Like, why don't you have parking for your customers, you know? But anyway, we're just waiting for our Uber and I thought I would do a fit check. So let's see. This is Shakes Fit. Turn around.
That you understand how I get. Can you blow my mind? Set off my whole body. If I give you my time, can you touch my soul from it? I don't want to wait. I'm taking, take me where I ain't been before. Can you blow my mind? Set off my whole body, whole body.
The food was mid at best. The lemonade was good. We got a lavender lemonade. It was super good. Everything else was just, we didn't eat our food, so we're still kind of hungry.
Yeah.
It was pretty pricey, honestly, for something that was, so.
What do you give it out of 10?
Just solely on taste, a 4.
Okay. Appearance-wise?
Appearance-wise, definitely a 7, 8.
Yeah, for sure.
Like, the food looked really good, but also, like, there was a lot of flies,
Yeah, there was
which
a lot
was
of flies.
super annoying, but it's a pretty cute place. If you're coming here just for the vibes, as it's called, yes. If you're coming here for pretty food, also yes. If you're coming here for taste,
Walk the street to show me that you understand how I get. Can you blow my mind? Set off my whole body. If I give you my time, can you touch my soul from it? I don't want to wait. I'm taking, take me where I ain't been before.
Okay, all right, let's go. Wait a minute, that's so. Thank you. Is it good? I think it's really good.
the one thing.
True.
Walk the street to show me that you understand how I get. Can you blow my mind?